And to comedians was a Ghana for no abe clash with John Mahama, any education minister, any Kasato Forson, concerning Komobia Wabedie, ever free SHS no, double track system, and can say Kiebe ye free honomono. I say, Omabe make another U10 be like a can't see my Ghana for the Munya with Tremasa, a young Coraza, or Mudim Fianquasia for Debbie. Dear Mokayano, Munimo Boshes, and you dear more. Eddie as I'm kind of echo, more Hanomo as a host, but you do I'm what I say. I have Penyah broken it. I mess say any demo. Over like video, no other subscribe button, some back the keep notification conflicts. Update about the wide that my comment section. Over so, no share for any back. I can find nala money and a penny diamond. Oh, you say, oh, you could send sky befi. I nala. And at 26 in fact, will be a to be for send sky every fee. From a promo code Penyah TV, now on betcho $20 for free. Now let's go to the store. We say, Mommy, for question 2020. Over Kaya. Year 2 about 2016. Year be coalition cinema. E ku for the be share will be on no ba. Or the idea friend free SHS ebeba. Na obe BA school system ni mu SHS system obe BA mu ama obi biala obe twere BC die. Obe nya access akọ school die obe twa anke bia efie ahokyere bi ntin ka wontimi ento aso no. Obe ma school aye free so that obia ebetimi akobi. Ema oka ye kran that time no NDC government they stage a demonstration against it. In fact, they state an advert against it.
Miss Matthew. Yeah, I mean, this senior high school now with me variable. The patron of prayer woman say, you need enough classrooms, you need enough dormitories, you need enough teachers, you need enough science resources. To me, part show. It's me,
Headmistress, but all kind of sad, I mean, you. Free senior high school, I have bomb the road TV, so radio see. And they said, you're okay, better than your my sweating up.
Ghana man, associate here, and Sana idea fata. Or my Ghana ever die SHS free. While Brian near my among women, it's Timu.
Paying for say. The summer had a pin, I am an Ukraine. So we need Valanda, a better than with me. I doing. I feel waiting.
Wait till I have to trust on my Ghana man. Now, yes, I at Tumoko. Someone to Maba and Farmer is SLS John Mahama and then the NDC. Now, I'm on to a better Ghana agenda. There is a better Ghana agenda. Every so ACC dormitories, classroom blocks, dining halls, science resource centers, computer laboratories, and then you can come one among women here.
Omo headed to a nipa become omo advert against free SHS. Emma Muka say enya possible. Emma, lo and behold, the court order is na go for already. This is 2017 na. The latter part of 2017, omo mutire BC 2017 na ombera SS 2017 na no. E go for about home modern. Emma free SHS no started. Na started enkra no aba dosun. Omo ba boom. How say? Enkra no ba boom and school bia na aba dosun ntima because of that kra no. Enkra baby started kojiji eko rent dan ewo camp e kura hodo schools bia wo no omu ko rent e ma no kura ma fie rafo bi nya sika etutu mbotom omu nya sika diska ba fie e ma na ebi ma ko yi hostels ahodo na eho na omu ekosoe na omu aba school mu ye pon omu ko am enu tu ma but e ko duru samu ebe 2019 ni mo no 2018-19 ni mo no ana go faga so da bi ma yem breaking kura no mu into two nti ebenya gold ni abenya green etu or the double track system eba eti ebi mu eba 3 months let's say o makwetine fi akohome na that 3 months ebi so aba so that obi abetimi enya fair what I say balancing and omo edeba e man kwara start ya ma say enkura ni ntwa and as school continue school more 3 months, I 3 months, it doesn't make any sense. Now, yeah, back 2020 elections ni mono on campaign grounds. Ana Mahama Bobi say, oh no, se nyamye na dom, na Ghana for hu ni mobo, na 2020 say atoba na the manual, oba. That double track system go for the aba na ebimba 3 months, ma go 3 months no. Obey ye free ho.
I think NDC are buying back 7 January 2021. I think I made to 7 January 2022. Not double track no ye free.
Man, this is for you. They no your campaigns oba obey free ho no more. And at 2020 no, yes atoma Akufo-Addo ene Bawumia and almost atena so. Na ye kwa 24 elections no mo ana Mahama sa be gina so biem. Ene no be share bo it's a double track system me ba me just 1 year. 1 year boss afiba akope ebe end double track system.
And so when I say review, I mean to improve. And the first thing we'll do is to abolish the double track.
We will abolish the double track system.
Exactly. And I've said that when I become president, within 1 year, we'll cancel the double track. We'll be able to let all the children go to school at the same time.
We will end the double track system in our SHS education system within 1 year. In 1 year, Mahama Shebasi will end the double track system. I'm a Ghana for you cheap because now for any young one say, me ba betene fie 3 months se me pen santi be se o da bi o school na ko sua de e ma wo fo no nyina gi twi e ko to aba no do so e de Mahama afi Mahama betena so a ye that 2025 e di ga 2025 na no ye betimi e double track system afi ho no mo e ma na ba ye se o ma be kasa o mo kasa o kire mu se double track system no o be ye from 2027 na se now 1 year no enya amaso. Yes, I was 2 years time. After you transfer to the same day, where you were July Muntinka, Cabe 5 months, not 2026, Aquari, and you're 2007 any free SHS, a bear crab, a barber, camera, do so. Yeah, and did double track system, crown, young cool school boom. After young conquer Tiabusia, Nancy Harron, I do education minister, Becassa. Then in some can watch them say, Ghana for Munabu true, say, yeah, near Kaya said, and can double track system, maybe for 1 year. And as I do call it 2027, but where there, any day my album and Nabaya bad yesterday, Montia said, double track system, me, young tune question 2029. Hey, Joseph, young phone call 2029. Now, 2029, so means me name the one part because you better about 2028, and I didn't say it's automatic 2029, or when you tell Kunyana so maintain some say. And Anna, Mahama tell agenda no more start say maintain here because we talk about 2028. We say Mahama policy. Mahama policy. And I'm more understanding. It won't be say more person much say Mahama tell agenda no more start say and I say no more. Hey, just every 1 year. I could do 2 years. I feel yes, I could 5 years time. Ya try question 3-5 years time. Na no ga for say the master. And this won't me fa nkwase afo. Won't me fa anya nkwase adwuma. Mo na mo ka say mo be here from within 1 year. Mo nyin free ho. Ye hwemanim.
These are the issues ye kasa sisi na ye the police for better town. These are the issues who kasa sisi na ye the police for better town. See, enye we nkwa na ekoso saban we catch that say 2027 2028 answer now obetimi ayen the double tracker enye we nkwa omo amwo phone 1 sisi nkwala na omo phone 1 sisi no amko phone 2 no check na awofo apam mo omo amudiko school no enu na omo use up to now enu na omo use Akufo-Addo time no omo school uniform makumaku 5 omo school uniform makumaku 5 so musi bubu amunko bisa omo school uniform makumaku 5 aban we buy school uniform banku kra want me ampom mo obi school uniform kra want me am provide a ban education education e Ghana NDC have nothing. They have no knowledge about education. They didn't reach their knowledge about education. They have not. They lack knowledge about education. You see, they are spoiling the free education. They are gradually spoiling the free education. They can't even provide school uniform. They can't even provide school uniform. And these are the issues when you talk right now, and they the police for air better. You see, and what the young man is for now, said the way they are not speaking about, they are not saying anything. Eh? For now, said these are the things that is going on. They are quiet. They are quiet about this. They are quiet about this. Mr. Abanwe strategy here is trying to play the mind of the Ghanaians. This government is trying to play the mind of Ghanaians.
Yet, baby, and Suma will be an eboshe. Mamma, Faber Dada, I am to Abama when I'm a bar. In 3 months' time, 90 days, me try double track him. Me try double track him, my mom for to Abama. A to Abana Mawa, oh, I feed him to me, but the work was 2027. What's now? One who says, Abre, what July my guest 2027, eh, bana. Also, 2027, they ain't me. It is a 2029. Now, when I say 2029, and this will be on our night. Nem person NDC wa bema etepa and the one dances I want about education minister over the double track in 2029. A promise that we making in 2024 campaign. This year this 2029. Asana motivate this so. I don't know what that Ghana force. I want to mean kind of French man for no mumu. Obian shamo, be a first can to mo President Mahama interview can see peace or your bar in 3 months pe we try double tracking. So na magasa da form. And I'm going to say, a World Bank, $300 million. And they have a free SHS. And Moko Bobby San and they free SHS. And so, one two position, I'm going to be able to actually have a father and a Baumia. Yanko Pon, a shame, Yanko Pon, a to us. No, very monkey to
NDC for admitted say Omucha Ghana Fontro. Abraham can say, Omu first year, Omubicha, double track Nimuno. 1 year na twam omo ntime twam afi omo movie call 2029 eho and omo say double track na omo ntime twam enti na din nyina so no omo wa na omo ka say within a year or two omo betimi aye infrastructure e betimi ama omo atwa double track nim yentie Clement Park and sama okan ye den.
Gradually we expect to eliminate and bring this to an end. At the very minimum, we are looking at by the end of his first year in office. And we can do this.
It is our time now unyina so any day. By the way, NDC baba emuno a den policy pana omotimia start o ma ya yie me pe ba ko pe. Policy we no ma start o ma ye agene yie. Mon ka ba ko pe enkyere me. By the way, Mandais se wo niema wa brochire na wo pese o de bagana quick within 24 to 48 hours. Mandais free number no. Phone, tablet, laptop, bibiara. A wo pese wo send in quick e bia na ma me hia duru. Free Mandais mo be ne fast e de akoduru Ghana ma wo. Aha e GH Facts online facts in focus. Aha any facts ayen kasa.
For let us bounce back on our political talk show. Now, the main reason why the MPP people voted massively against the MPP was free SHS, the double track system. Double track system, na man for voting massively because almost a double track system no M1 kolano. After when DC for President Mahama be share boka tre Ghana for say the two Abamana in the first year of his term no omwecha double track system e mama for the say born ye nyum etonyum say we need President Mahama ampa President Mahama ababemu Penyah 1 year and say 6 months munye still double track no ye ntwamu. Now the one that I just say almost a double track system on a D. Omubeti me chemua at 2029. And 2029. Tina me bisao. Tamana omo shebono. Na emina so baina no mudi jina so na omo keka zansem no. Ebusia for double track system in Pokra na na do buy a besi major friend is school buildings at this term crab buy and a crampuno and to eliminate double track system because of the free SHS because Obiabe ko school Even 2029 na say NDC busu tia bema double track na cannot ain't me end unless say you try free SHS mu. So President Mahama person establishes say free SHS and now double track system ye betwa mu dia. Any omuntwa free SHS mu because the free SHS wo ha obi ade ne ba eko school. Obi am person ne ba be drop out. Obi ade ne ba eko school. The lies they told us when they were in opposition. MPP Fonso Shebo. Ain't na MPP ya to aba etia MPP. The MPP is out of government. So don't still compare. Memfa ujimi no and compare. Stop doing comparison and ask the government of on the day say what are they bringing on the table? The youth need jobs in Ghana. The youth need jobs in Ghana. 24-hour economy, we are not seeing it. The Women's Development Bank, baby, what? These are the questions we need to ask the government. Not to compare an MPP by and say that is why the MPP being voted out and the NDC is voted in. So we have every right to question the NDC.
I was here for you, Rachema, to mean Sema, Ecosu, Ama. Ghana for ye ni nyanko asembia NDC aban e de ababa tudwa ye nyina ye ya wo say 2024 ye campaign no NDC for promise ba ko omo de ka kire Ghana for ne said omo de se Ghana for bo modern no omo to aba ma omo a omo ba ya less than 1 year omo be make sure say double track no omo be twam na aye single track na ye to aba ma omo ba ye no as at last year ena education ministry yewra haruna idrusu mo eba abonten be ka kire say double track no by 2027 me kire afia ye ba besimu no ombe end double track ene ye da sore ya wo mo anka se omo be ka kire ye say 2027 ombe end ade no say de omo se da bi omo nya end no 2027 nemum omo de be ko 2029 se mo hwa ade bi a me omo yi yewra haruna idrusu se ombe education minister ena me di kan be kan ho asem se yewura haruna idrisu a omo se omo education minister no a trap bi ena omasete no and he will fail. And honestly speaking pe ade we ya asa beto dwane no yewura haruna idrisu wa fail as education minister and ono ni failing na wa fail no NDC fo nyina a fail e wo ye education ministry ho esidan enenne ye da sori ya mo be ka kire ye say double track no muntimi yende no samri just 2029 na yen no de besi bia ye san say by 2029 no na NDC for no mu ni aban mu nyame adoma by 2029 na NPP aban a yen ye de free SHS bae na because of pressure na eba no ye de measures gu akwan mu de double track bae no ye ankasa beba ne aba be yi ade na firo medical aka kire Ghana for said NDC for ye nkofo bi a wuntumi mfa wani ntu omo so esan say one omo kan asem we ya ochina na omo asese omo no yeti krom ha na the president John Mahama call ahafo region and totroso ekoka kire Ghana for say omo de omo ba nursing training for no omo wie school automatic nursing posting enne saade no nyina eni ho enti NDC for omo yankofo bi a we cannot trust them ahafo region krona na omo kogina ya omo kan se kokoo sika no yewura kufuado abo kokoo fo krono eno nti omo de omo ba 6000 7000 omo de bema kokoo akuafo enne omo ba ye no kokoo sika no omo saate so hwi na me ya na bibia anye mesere se etimi se nyankofo bi na omo gina ho no mo ka se yewura president Mahama yensa mane nkotete ye mane nkotete mo na Ghana fo sabio yenim de yepe because abanya wotimi edi ntro ntro no eda ho ebi ni se double tracker momo de ye campaign ma awofuo bi munya agidie wo mu ekoto abama omo se moba be yi sa double track na firi ho no ene sa double track no emfie 9 mo antimi anya ho hwe mo se eje se 2029 na ye de yesi ye ni hwe ka empanyimfo ka asem bi se enchenche e wona afi ena minim se Ghana fo nyina hunu eye aban wei eye nipa bonesem ne atrofo a omode beji eye to me 2024 no na minim se Ghana fo ebe kire aban wei omugina bre come 2028 enti abusua wei eye update a ewo ho no share video no na obi ansa enka bi video we de makama
wait ma kire wa adwene e de amame ɛwɔ comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Okay.